The first place we can upload files to be able to annotate and edit them is the whiteboard. The first thing I'll do is open a new whiteboard tab and then click the button that says Upload Image or PDF and then browse to your file. In this example, I'm choosing a PNG or an image to upload. Now, what I'll always do is click on the zoom button and then click zoom to fit to frame our picture nicely on our whiteboard tab. Now you can feel free to annotate the image in any way you like, whether it's highlighting, adding text, or adding shapes. Now, by clicking the plus icon or clicking the insert image or PDF button like before, we can also add a PDF to our space, which you can again annotate to your liking. You will notice that it has opened a new tab automatically for you, which is the title of your PDF. Let's zoom to fit again, and there is our PDF fitting nicely on our whiteboard. If you would prefer to send the files in chat, we can do that as well. In this example, I will send the same files that I added to my whiteboard, but in the chat instead. You can just click the paperclip icon, then navigate to your relevant resource, select it, upload it, and it will be hosted on your space for everyone to see in the chat. And that's it. Just a quick short tutorial on what you can do with some common resources. Remember, once you have made something on your whiteboard, you can download the whiteboard as an image for your computer. We hope you enjoyed, and be sure to check out our other YouTube videos on our YouTube channel.